Hi everyone! Are you worried about missing some important chat or call? Are you trying to keep the tab with collaboration in front of you all the time? Well, thanks to Web Push feature, you don't have to, because you will receive a pop-up in case of incoming call or chat, even when you're not actively using collaboration or even Chrome browser. So the first thing to keep in mind here is Web Push works on Chrome browser. So Chrome browser should be running, at least in the background. Second thing, you should make sure that Web Push is enabled here in Collaboration Settings Personal. And you should not log out from collaboration. If you log out, you will not receive any pop-ups. And here is how it works. By clicking on the pop-up, the chat opens. The same happens with the call. And actually I can respond or reject right from the pop-up, like this. And the same happens if Chrome browser is running in the background. So I did not close Chrome completely, it is still running on my laptop. And here is what happens. Now, in case you're having some issues with Web Push, first of all, you should make sure that Web Push is enabled in collaboration settings. Second thing, Chrome browser should be running. The third thing to keep in mind is that you should make sure you have not logged out from collaboration. And now one more thing to check here is notifications should be allowed for this website for collaboration. In case you're using Windows 10, you should also make sure that notifications are allowed for the Chrome browser, so you should check it in your PC settings. Thanks for watching and see you next time!